the whole is greater than the sum of parts. That's the state that we should achieve. My name is Tran. I'm the head of engineering and product. I was born in Vietnam, but I'm not entirely Vietnamese, I would say, all the time. I was raised in the US. I was trained as a mechanical engineer. Started my career in the energy. Have since worked 5 different industries now. So, for instance, in the energy sector, I helped create new materials that could operate in a very extreme environment. In the aerospace side, we worked on, I worked at a company that had a proprietary method for 3D woven composites. It's a new material that didn't exist on this planet. So we developed both the architecture of the material as well as the process and the machine to make the material. What really inspired me and motivated me to join was the thinking, the vision that one day we can actually do this process in outer space. And so I think that was the cool factor for me. I like to translate technology from one environment to another. So when I transitioned from, say, energy to aerospace to med tech, the challenge for me is taking whatever I knew, innovating in a way that I can now reapply in some place different. So for me, exploration is not it. It's about now translating what can we do on Earth into a space environment that has very unique challenges of its own. So a lot of things that we take for granted on Earth, such as gravity, doesn't exist in space. So even in AOD, the process depends on gravity holding the liquid state material in our bubbler. But in space, liquid is just floating without any kind of constraint. So how do you solve that? And that's what motivates me. We have two programs. One is Earth-based and one is space. So in the Earth-based program, we've identified our product line as starting with the small one first, the nanofabricated light. That's a small desktop form factor. The next sibling of that is the nanofabricator, we call it the Pro. So now we're translating that desktop form factor into now a freestanding platform that we can still sell to the research lower volume manufacturing customer base, but they have greater capability. The one after that, we called it the nanofabricator Ultra. And here, what we're doing is enabling the machine to have a capacity to hold a larger substrate, maybe 12-inch wafer even, and having speed of, say, 1,000 millimeters per second. Okay. In the space program, it's actually a very complete different program for us. It is less about so much the technology, but it's also it's exploration for the team. I think of it as a source of inspiration.